Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I still think it's extremely clear, especially when you look at correlated yen pairs, that this is a big 1, 2, and 3. We are now bouncing off a fib level. We definitely don't see any higher lows. I actually think it's going to go up closer to this 223 and maybe even higher than that to finish off what I think is a wave 3. Eventually it's going to have to make a wave 4 and then back up again for a wave 5. So I personally think that we are probably 6 months to a year at least until this uptrend is over. Heading down to the weekly time frame, like I said, we are at a fib level and it looks like it's not respecting that level. Even on this time frame, I definitely don't see any reason to think that this is not still in an uptrend. I think this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and then this is subdivisions of that wave 3. So 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we probably are in a wave 5 of 3 right now. Yen pairs do have a tendency to have bigger stretched out wave 5s also, so definitely don't think it's over yet. On the daily, what is important to see is that this is an ABC correction, and what normally happens at the end of an ABC, in an uptrend, it normally takes out the previous highs. So I am definitely very bullish, and I think that there's a very good likelihood that this will keep on trending up. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push up, which is very clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. Now, we are in a little bit of a messy pattern right here. It kind of looks like 3 waves down, 3 waves up. It might actually go down again, maybe bounce out to 78.6 before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it's kind of an overlapping mess right now, but it kind of looks like 3 waves down. Maybe this is actually 3 waves up, and it's actually going to lead to either 5 waves down or 3 waves down, either a 333, which would be a WXY, or a 335, which is supposed to be more like a flat, even though this really doesn't look like a flat. But either way, I would still be looking for shorts. If it bounces off a fib level, gives you a nice break of structure, then I would be exiting my shorts, and I would be going long for the continuation of the uptrend. I definitely think that the bigger betting money to be made on all the yen pairs, especially because this is now a 4 year or more uptrend, is looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that you see for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.